हेलो फ्रेंड्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे सी प्लस प्लस इंट्रोडक्शन। व्हाट इज सी प्लस प्लस? सी प्लस प्लस इज अ क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म लैंग्वेज दैट कैन बी यूज टू क्रिएट हाई परफॉर्मेंस एप्लीकेशन। सी प्लस प्लस was developed by B. Jan Strostrup as an extension to the C++. C++ gives programming a high level of control our system resources and memory. The language was updated four major times in 2011 and 2014, 2017 and 2020 to C++11, C++14, C++17 and C++20. Why use C++? C++ is one of the world's most popular programming language. C++ can be found in today operating systems, graphically user interfaces, and embedded systems. C++ is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, lowering development costs. C++ is a portable and can be used to develop applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. C++ is a fun and easy to learn. As C++ is a close to C, C Sharp, and Java, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to C++ or vice versa. Differentiate between C and C++. C++ was developed as an extension of C, and both languages have almost the same syntax. The main difference between C and C++ is that C++ support classes and objects, while C does not. Get started. The tutorial will teach us basic C++. Get started. Top tutorials HTML, CSS, C++. Get started. So, C++ install C++ get started. To start using C++, you need to do things: a text editor like Notepad to write C++ code, a compiler like GCC to translate the C++ code into a language that the computer will understand. There are many text editors and compilers to choose from. In this tutorial, we will use an IDE. See below. C++ install IDE. An IDE integrated development environment is used to edit and compile the code. Popular IDE include code blocks, Eclipse, and Visual Studio. These are all free and they can be used to both edit and debug C++ code. Note: web-based IDEs can work as well, but functionality is limited. We will use code blocks in our tutorials, which believe is a good place to start. You can find the latest version of code blocks at http://www.codeblocks.org. Download text editor. C++ quick starts. Let's create our first C++ file. Open code blocks and go to file, new empty file. Write the following C++ code and save the file as my first program.cpp. File save file as my first program.cpp. In cache include iostream using namespace std. Int main cout hello world return. Don't worry if you do not understand the code above. We will discuss it in detail in later chapter. For now, focus on how to run the code in code blocks. It should like this. So then go to build and run. To run execute the program itself will look something to this. Hello world, process return 0, execute time, press key and to continue. Congratulations, you have now written and executed your first C++ program. सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वीडियो मैंने आपको बताया सी प्लस प्लस के बारे में। तो अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाजमी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाले इन वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। आज की वीडियो में दोस्तों इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।